go, 5 teams. Boys varsity 4x100 meters.
First call.
St. Bonnie, Carpinteria, 1-2 into the first handoff. Oak Park moving very well. Here's saint-bonaventure. Oak Park, Carpinteria. Carpinteria just edging it out for second.
Feet 1 inch. In third, Katie Fisher of Oak Park with a throw of 98 feet 8 inches. Sullivan of Lorena, 50-62, followed by Gabby Fantone of Carpinteria with a time of 51-28. Four by four relay.
Final event underway. Each and every life counts, folks. Well, folks, looks like it's going to be a treat. Here comes Carpinteria, St. Bonnie, and Oak Park into the first handoff. And a dead heat. The Oak Park, St. Bonnie, and Carpinteria.
Such a big deal.
Let's go, Chris. Let's go.
Carpinteria looking to make contact on Oak Park. Excuse me, St. Bonnie. Comes Oak Park. Carpinteria looking to challenge the second.
Let's go, Kyle!
Carpinteria successfully taking second. We'll see if it lasts.
Here, Richard, let's go.
Here comes Oak Park in the home stretch, followed by Carpinteria and St. Bonnie. There goes Oak Park and Carpinteria, followed by saint-bonaventure.
Go, Richard!
Carpinteria's Bryson Frazier powering on the backstretch.
That's his move.
He looks hungry for it, folks.
You can do this, Bryson.
He looks hungry. It's Oak Park, Carpinteria. Makes it one.